Hello children, welcome to my channel. Come, let's learn. In today's video, I will draw the poster related to 2nd October, that is Gandhi Jayanti. Besides the celebration of Gandhi Jayanti, this day is also memorable as the birthday of our second Prime Minister of India, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. On this very day, in 2014, present Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, launched the Swachh Bharat mission. According to him, a clean India would be the best tribute India could pay to Mahatma Gandhi. Let's start the video. Here I am using the wash technique. For this, firstly apply the water thoroughly over the sheet. Now apply the color before the surface gets dry. As the sheet is wet, you can spread the color like this. I had dissolved the another color on the palette and spread it on the sheet like this. Now, after the sheet had dried, draw the margin. Here I am drawing the figure of Mahatma Gandhi. The measurement is shown below. As you can see, the 8 cm line is divided into two parts. The upper part, I will draw there the upper portion of the body, and on the lower part, I will draw the lower portion of the body. Here I am drawing the symbol of Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji, the white cap. Now add any inspirational quote over here. Here I am writing the quote by Mahatma Gandhi. It says, "Be the change you want to see in the world." Generally, while applying wash techniques, poster color or watercolors are used. Here I had used acrylic color for two reasons. First, it dry fast, and secondly, you can easily erase the pencil lines that you cannot do while using poster or watercolors. Please hit the like button if you like my video. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe it. Hit the bell icon for the notification of my upcoming videos. Follow me on Instagram and Pinterest for more art and craft images, drawings. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.